After Salahuddin, Yusuf ibn Ayyub (1137 to 1193) was a Sunni Muslim Kurd and the first Sultan of Egypt and Syria and the founder of the Ayyubi dynasty. He was born in 1137 in Tikrit, Upper Mesopotamia, married to Ismatuddin Khatun, and had about 15 children. Sultanate spanned Egypt, Syria, Upper Mesopotamia, Western Arabia, Yemen, parts of Western North Africa, and Nubia. Salahuddin arrived in Egypt in 1163 and remained its leader until death. Egypt was in a state of decay prior to Saladin's rise to power. When the Fatimid Caliphate fell in 1171, Saladin was the only remaining authority in Egypt. 15th May 1174, Nuruddin Zengi of Oghuz Turkish dynasty and ruler of Seljuk Empire died, and his death left Saladin with political independence. Not long after Nuruddin's death, Saladin launched his conquest of Syria, peacefully entering Damascus at the request of its governor. History is full of his great achievements, but here I am highlighting his two major achievements. One was war against Crusaders and the other was capture of Jerusalem. Saladin was a legendary warrior who fought the Crusaders for a long time and gained victories over them. Best known for his military accomplishments in battles, Saladin attained the biggest victory of his life by defeating the Crusaders. In 1187, after defeating Crusader army, Saladin marched to Jerusalem. His army surrounded the city and began to fire arrows and catapult rocks over the walls. At the peak, the city surrendered and Saladin marched in victorious. Over the next year, Saladin captured most of the kingdom of Jerusalem. He used to perform 5 obligatory prayers in congregation along with the supererogatory prayers. He spent most of his money on sadaqah and never possessed enough wealth. He always wanted to perform Hajj, but he was always occupied in jihad and died without performing Hajj. He never spoke badly and never allowed anyone to do so. Salahuddin Ayyubi died at the age of 57 in 1193. His estate was only 47 dirhams and 1 dinar. He left no real estate or any other heredity. He is buried in Umayyad Masjid in Damascus. This was all about the great warrior Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi. I hope you liked it.